beauties, welcome back to another video. It's Toya here. For all who don't know, if you guys have not yet followed my Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter at NaturallyMsToya. All those will be down below in the description bar. Yeah guys, so I have not beat my face very well in a very long time, just because I really didn't have time to do a long detailed makeup tutorial, something that I could actually spend time on. So lately I've just been rushing through my looks like I have to be doing right now because my battery is dying. So I don't want this intro to be too long. Today I just wanted to do like a video refreshing my curls from a finger coil out that I did. I'll have that video linked on the screen. It's a collab with my girl Viviana, so you guys can watch it to see how I achieved the finger coil in the first place. But the curls were dry. I wanted to show you guys how I refresh my curls, and I thought, why the hell not just throw in a makeup tutorial while I'm at it. I actually like this curl pattern. I think it's really cute, and I like it the second time around because it was hella dry, guys, so I had a lot of work to do. But yeah, I just thought I would come on here to show you guys how sexy AF natural hair is. And I know sometimes I get so caught up in like protective styles and them something, but really and truly natural hair is where it's at, and I still have my hair natural under my units and under my styles. But it's just that sometimes you don't really have the time to deal with it, but when you do, it can be so sexy. So yeah, I plan to improve on my tolerance for my natural hair because I really love the way it looks. So I just really wanted to do a sexy fall inspired kind of look. I don't think you guys saw when I applied my lashes, so I'm just wearing some rainbow lashes in Bare Drama. Those are what I have on my eyes. You guys won't see when I add my second highlight, which is the MELANIN Golden Light Spotlight Strobe thingy. I put that on top of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and on top of the red lippy that I wore, I did the More Metallics lip cream in the color Madly in Love. I put that on top. I just resurrected some old products because I haven't used a lot of this stuff in a while, and I just really fall in love with stuff over and over again, especially the Jordana foundation. Especially the Jordana 2-in-1. Totally fell in love with this again. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, we're on our way to 21,000. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not already hit it. Smash the subscribe button. Go ahead and thumbs up this video so that I know that you guys liked it. And if you don't want more videos like this, and I already know if you do, comment down below so that I know what you guys want to see next. And also click your bell to make sure that you get every notification for every video we put out so you don't miss nothing. Yeah.
Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh. Cause I can't stop loving, since I got a taste of your love. Baby, come give me something, oh. God damn, you know who I am. Tried to be on the low.
Okay babes, so as you guys can see, the hair is dry and dusty. I'm just starting out the style now, but what I did realize before I got started was that the curls in the back still had a bit of definition, so that's how I knew I didn't want to just get rid of the style. I just thought it was better if I fixed it and kept it for a couple more days. So I'm gonna first begin just by separating my hair into smaller workable sections. You know, it makes it a whole lot easier. After securing the top part out the way, I'm going to go in with the Cream of Nature Curl Enhancing Cream. I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to take a bit and just apply it to each section. Now this right here definitely did add back a lot of moisture. Instantly my hair was really soft. It doesn't work for me as a styling product, but it did do this job very well. So then I'm going in with the Eco Styler Gel, the Argan Oil Edition, and I'm just applying that over the first product. And I want to make sure at this point that all of my hair is coated in this gel, and as you guys can see, it does like redefine the curls and make them pop a lot more. So that's what I wanted. I'm just going to repeat that to the next side of my hair, and then once everybody is all coated with the curl enhancing cream and the gel, I'm just going to go back to the section and just give it a really nice twist. Not twisting it tight, just twisting it to secure the hair out the way so that, you know, the curls can kind of stay together, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna also just give it a twist at the end to help to activate some of those curls, and I'm just basically just gonna repeat this step all over my head until I get to the front. And once the front is done, I'm just going to apply some product to my edges. Like, I'm just gonna take some more of the gel and just apply it there because your edges do get dry, and I want everything to be nice and moisturized and basically like wet. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my scarf to kind of set my edges in place, even though I'm not gonna need them to be that laid, but you know, I'm just gonna apply that scarf so that they also stay out of my way, and then we're gonna just go ahead and move on to the makeup portion of the video. Starting off the look with brows like I always do, I'm going to be using the Flawless Brow Stick from Black Up Cosmetics. The link for that will be down below in the description bar for the review for all their products. And this makes my brows so perfect. I'm just going to define my brows a bit and clean up with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan. And I'm only applying that under the bottom, and then I'm going to clean up with this concealer brush. And what I'm going to do, guys, this is like my new thing, I just take whatever is left on the brush and clean up the top instead of putting concealer up there, because sometimes that concealer is a little hard to blend out. So when you do it this way, it does work. I'm using this gel liner. It's just $1 gel liner that I got off eBay, I think, and I'm just applying that all over my lid. And this is going to be my eyeshadow base. I'm going to also blend that with my finger, just blend it up into my crease. And as you guys can probably guess, I'm going to be doing a full-on smoky eye, so you know, a black base is best. And I'm also applying some of that down on my lower lash line because I'm going to smoke that out too. Then I'm taking this powder. It's Earth Glow by MELANIN. I'm putting that into my crease to kind of smoke out the liner and give me more of a smoky eye kind of look. And I'm going to actually be using this throughout the tutorial. Taking this black eyeshadow from Black Up Cosmetics, I'm gonna do a halo eye, guys. So that means I'm gonna be putting the shadow on the outer part of my lid and the inner part of my lid only. I'm not gonna be putting any in the middle, but I am gonna be connecting them on the top, as you guys can see me doing here. Yeah, I'm just connecting them at the top, but no eyeshadow is placed in the middle. I'm gonna also go ahead and blend that out with some more of the powder just to, you know, smoke out the crease, because the good, you know, secret to a smoky eye, I say this all the time, is just properly blending out the colors so that everything looks nice and smoked out, gradually going from darkest on the lid to lightest at the top in the crease. Yeah, so right in the middle I'm gonna apply a color, but before that I'm gonna wet my finger and take the copper color from my Miss Doozy Bridal and Party palette, and I'm going to use my finger to apply that color right in the center where I didn't put any eyeshadow. You guys see how intense that is? This trick usually works for like basically every shimmer shadow. Yeah, just wet your finger or wet your brush before you apply the color and it comes off way more intense. So yeah, just applying that on the lid. And I'm kind of blending in the black at the edges. I'm just blending it in so it doesn't look like I just dropped it on there. And then I'm gonna do my mascara, and this is just a cheapy mascara from Beauty Concepts. Yeah, nothing special about it, but these sponges are rather special, guys. I'm using my Jordana 2-in-1 foundation with these cute little wedges. I've been using them lately, and this one is just shaped like a water drop. So cute and so soft. Of course, damped it, squeezed out the excess water, and I'm just using it to stipple in my product into my skin, and it works like a charm. So yeah, definitely going to be repurchasing these. You can just get them at any beauty supply store. You guys see how that foundation just looks like skin? I will forever love it. Awesome. So next I'm gonna highlight. I'm using the same LA Girl Pro in Cool Tan, and I'm just applying that to my regular highlighting points, you know, under the eyes, bridge of the nose, blah blah blah. You guys have seen a million tutorials, but I'm just gonna flip the sponge over and just blend that out. You guys see how seamless that is? It blends out right into my skin. And I really think it's because of the foundation that I use, like that Jordana foundation. Do not sleep on it. If you want to give your clients like skin, if you want like skin, something that just looks like nothing on your face, then it's definitely a foundation to try. So I'm just blending that out, and then I'm gonna set the face, of course, with the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder, and I'm using the sponge to do that as well. Using a sponge to do this step really helps with the baking. Like, it literally just sets right under there. I love it. And these sponges, guys, are like absolutely perfect. Love them, love them, love them. I'm telling you, go get you some. So I'm just gonna stipple that in, and then I'm gonna go ahead, of course, dust it away. I don't really do like baking anymore because I just This powder sets instantly. You don't need to bake. So yeah, and then I have dry skin, so if I bake for too long, I'm going to look very crazy. Also, if I apply too much powder, I'm going to look very crazy. But I'm just dusting that away and then setting my face with the Earth Glow powder. Actually, I just dipped my brush into like a little bit of it to just kind of, you know, set the face, nothing special, and trying, you know, to blend out the edges of that powder. Now once that's done, I'm gonna use some more of the powder just to contour, but like I'm kind of concentrating it, you know, in one place so that it's more intense. Doesn't really show up, but for blusher, I'm using, like, mixing these two, the second and the third colors in the Intense Blush Quad from City Color. I'm using that on the cheeks, and then I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm mixing like all of them. I'm mixing all of them, and then I'm just gonna apply that. It doesn't look as intense for some reason, just because my lighting was like pretty bright. When my lighting is too bright and I don't have the perfect lighting, my highlight doesn't look popping, but trust, it was popping in real life, okay? So I'm just applying that to everywhere, you know, I normally highlight. Yeah, but the brows, them brows don't lie when a highlight is bright. You see that? Yes. That's how you know your highlight is popping, okay? And I'm also applying it to the inner tear duct area. Then for the lips, I'm applying this red lippy. I think this is a LA Girl lip pencil. Totally forgot the name of the color, guys. I'm so sorry. But it's a very gorgeous red. I just haven't used it in a while, so I'm just filling in with that a little bit. And on top of it, I'm just going to place this MELANIN Amore matte lip cream in, well, I forgot the name of this color too, guys, but it's the red one. Like, if I remember the name, I'm gonna put it down below in the description. But I thought this was too red, so as I said in the beginning, I did go over with one of the Amore metallic lip creams. But after I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some hair polisher to my hands, warm it up in there, and then just take my twists down. This is gonna help to kind of reduce the frizz, you know, a little bit. The hair, of course, was still wet, which is actually something that I liked, because for some reason when my hair gets dry, it does like really get dry, like it just thirsty out. So I was in love with the fact that it wasn't dry. But I'm also just going to remove the scarf, you know, to kind of reveal those edges, and just go ahead and give my hair a really good shake. Shaking gives it more body and a little bit more volume, so this is a trick if you do like a wash and go or anything like that. Just give it a really good shake. It makes the hair more lifted. Hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I just really wanted to show you guys that you should love what you have. Work with your natural hair. Don't feel like if you don't have any weaves or anything like that, then it's not, you know, hot. Just love what you have and rock what you have, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.